My Vedic Max book, first trick in Max or a Vedic Max. Today our new concept is that addition, and in addition our new concept is double plus double digit. So let's go for our high concept sums, double digit carry numbers. Okay, so hello friends and welcome back to your channel My Vedic Max book, and follow all instructions properly and carefully. Double plus double digit. You can solve these kinds of sum in a few seconds without using your finger, only by using your mind. Okay? This is the magic of the Vedic Max. And these kinds of sums you want to learn when you stay here till to end. Otherwise, you can't understand this kind of sums. Okay? And in these sums, you learn two kinds of method to solve these kinds of sums, double plus double digit sums. Okay, in this video or in this live lecture, I will solve two types of method. I will give you two types of method to solve these kinds of sums. So let's start our today's video. So first, let's revise our previous lecture, how to solve double plus double digit without carrying numbers, and what is the AND numbers, and how we can solve double plus single digit. Okay, this is important to start our new topic, double plus double digit. Okay, so first example, what is the AND numbers? Okay, AND numbers means that the numbers they have a two digit. For example 15, so the AND number of 15 is 5, means the unit place number of the digit is called the AND numbers. Okay, now non-carrying numbers. What is the non-carrying numbers? Non-carrying numbers means the numbers, for example 23 plus 5, so our answer is 28, means in the question no numbers as borrow is called a non-carrying numbers. Okay, means direct answer or simple answer is called a non-carrying numbers. So now our today lecture topic is double digit with plus 2 carry numbers. Okay, so our first example, step 1, plus 68 plus 39. So first we have to add 6 and 3, the answers come 9. Okay, but we want to think 10th because in the next place there was the carry numbers. Okay, first we have to see the AND numbers, 8 plus 9. Okay, the AND number of 8 plus 9 is 7. Okay, and plus 1 we have to borrow in a 10th place. Okay, sign we have to imagine that the answer is not 9, the answers comes 10. Now you receive here two numbers 10 and 7. Now combine the both number and you receive one answer 107. Now check your answer, the answers come 107, 199%. Okay, you can say that 68 plus 39, 107 is the answer. Next, see another example for the better explanation. 47 plus 86. Okay, so 47 plus 86 we write in a both side. So 47 and 76 like this. First we have to add a 10th place number, 4 plus 8, the answers come 12. But you want to write 13. Why 13? Because the AND number of 7 plus 6 is 3, not 13. We have to write 3 here. So plus 1 borrow in a 10th place. So you have to imagine that the answer is 13, not 12. Now 7 plus 6 is the AND number. You want to imagine that 7 plus 6 is the AND number. Now we have received here two numbers 13 and 3. Now combine the both number and you receive our final answer 133. You check your answer, the answers come 133. Okay, this is the first method or a short method to find the sums. Now take one more easy example of double plus double digit. Okay, in the last example 58 plus 84. 58 plus 84. first see the 10th place and start adding. Okay, adding 5 plus 8, the answers come 13. But here you want to see the AND numbers. 8 and 4 is given in the AND number. So what is the AND number of 8 and 4? 2. Okay, not 12. The answers comes 2. Okay, so borrow 1 in the 10th place. Okay, now you imagine the answers. Add plus 1 in 10th place, and the 10th place become 14, not 13. Okay, so your final answer is 142. You receive here two numbers, 14 and 2. Now combine the both number and you receive here one answer, 142. So double plus double digit sums in a short step by step method. Okay, in a short. So first we have take one sum, 48 plus 57. So simply first you want to see the 10th place. Okay, first you want to see a 10th place number and do add. Okay, means do add 4 plus 5. Now you want to see the AND number, means the unit place, 8 and 7. The digit 8 and 7 is big, means here the carry numbers come. So add plus 1. Okay, add plus 1 in a 10th place. Okay, and combine the both number. Here you receive a two numbers. Which number is that? The first number is 5. The second number is 10. How 10? 5 plus 4, the answers come 9, and because of carry plus 1, the answers come 10. Okay, means here you receive two numbers, 10 and 5. Now combine the both numbers and you receive a real answer, 105 is your answer. Now what you learn in this lecture? How to solve? You learn in this lecture that how to solve a high carry numbers or a high digit numbers by solving or using the Vedic math method. Okay, in this lecture. And what do you learn in the next lecture? You want to learn that another high concept where you got a non-carry numbers, for example 93 plus 84. Okay, so doing for these sums, 93 plus 84, this type of sum, you want to practice our today's sums. Okay, means today practice sums. Given you have to give all answers of that sums in the comment section within a 5 to 10 seconds by using the Vedic maths, not a modern maths. So question number 1 is that 86 plus 49. Question number 2 is that 69 plus 54, and the question number 3 is that 38 plus 46. You want to give fast answer in a comment section. My Vedic maths book. Hello student, and I hope you learned some new concept. Then subscribe to our channel, and if you learn some new method to solving the sums, then press the like button and don't forget to share our channel, my Vedic maths book, for the latest updates of my Vedic maths concept. So stay here, and our upcoming classes you have to learn that our new concept in different methods. So prepare it hard. Okay. So thanks for watching, and share the knowledge for increase the knowledge. Okay. So thank you, and thank you very much.